this is the event details. So it's asking to create an event here. So you can, if you want add to cart, so it is fine. But first of all, go to event type under this one.
Yeah.
Click on event type, and add to cart is already there.
Yeah. Okay, I got it. And here name, what do I put there?
Yes.
What name?
So add to cart, you can put there.
Okay.
Okay, and website activity audience last one. You can turn that on.
This one here?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay,
Okay.
click on next. That is fine. And URL rules. You can put with URL rules. Click on that. Next.
Okay.
Okay, select here. URL contains option. And this will
What
be.
does it mean?
Sorry?
What is set up
So
URL
basically,
rules?
we are setting up the event. So just example, /cart will be add to cart event.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
in the URL bar, just put that /cart.
Here, just like this,
Yes.
double slash,
No, single
and then
slash.
oh, single slash. Okay.
Cart.
And then cart.
Yes, cart. And
Yeah.
save it.
Okay.
Yeah. So that is fine now.
Is this the one that we
Can
created?
you go to your store and add to cart and see if that event is /cart?
Yeah, 1 second.
Just go to cart page. No, this is the checkout page, not the cart page.
Ah, wait. Okay, then maybe you have to delete all this. Wait. This is like
No,
this is a
from
card. See, this
from
is a
the-
card.
You
Maybe-
don't have any cart page. Yeah,
No, I don't think so.
then instead of add to cart, we can select checkout option.
Okay, so we go back on this one. Do we have to change it then again?
That is fine. Just click add a new event there. From the top right side, add events.
Here, add events.
Yes.
This one, yeah?
Yes.
Mhm.
Click again, I think. Hello?
One. Add to cart. Can you hear me?
Yes, I am listening you now. Your screen, I
Yeah.
think, stuck. Click on add events.
Wait. Where's add events?
Your screen is stuck from my side in the. Okay. From this option, select the checkout option. Checkout initiated.
Okay. Mhm.
Name it checkout.
And now I put in here. Oh wait. Oh, sorry. Checkout initiated.
Yes.
Okay.
Website activity audience turn
And then-
on. Next.
Click on next. Mhm.
And define code give you the most flexibility. The first one, a recommended option, go with recommended one. Next.
Yeah. Okay. Next.
Yes. Okay, so we don't need any of these. That is fine. Click on save.
Okay. Do we need this? The code for something as a pixel?
So that will automatically be added. Otherwise, we can add that with the tag manager. So simply you can save it.
Okay.
Okay, now you can go back to the campaign creation part and select the checkout there. The previous tab. The previous tab from the top right. In the top right, there are tabs that the Chrome
No,
tabs.
this one here. Create campaign. There's tools, creatives, and campaigns.
No. Can you go to top right Chrome tabs that you have opened there? The above tabs. Hello?
Can you hear me? Yeah.
Yes. Hello?
Yeah, we have bad connections. Where do you want me to go now?
From the top right side, there are the tabs. Go up.
Add events,
Go up.
mobile measurement part.
The group, the Chrome tabs, like Fiverr tab, Shopify tabs. The second last.
Yeah, okay.
Go to second last. This one.
Okay, sorry. Yes.
No problem. So select an event here again.
Okay.
Click on above select event. You need to refresh this screen.
Checkout initiated
Yes,
then, yeah?
checkout initiated, yes. Okay, put the daily budget.
Okay, and then I go for the budget.
Yes.
Oops, this was too much. 30. 30.
Okay. So
Okay.
targeting, if you want to put that specific audience, you can do. Otherwise, let that open audience. So it's up to you.
Yeah, I have my audience because young people don't buy. All right, and then location. Only Germany. I just want to put Germany. It only Germany, not other countries.
Germany is already
You go in
selected.
advance. Okay, right. And if it says location, include Germany, then it means all other countries are excluded.
Yes, this one is already included. If you want to exclude, so that will exclude. Otherwise, this is already included there.
Okay, and if I just want my ad to be shown to viewers only in German language, like somebody who's using German as a browser language.
The advanced settings. You need to go to advanced options. Switch anyway.
Mm-hmm.
So now you can scroll down. Here language a little bit up. More. Here language option.
Okay.
So Germany is you can see all things again if there is any change you want.
Yeah. Now, what I want to do is that I have a very narrow target group. So what I want to achieve is actually that the ad is only shown to people who are like following a certain account. Also, yeah, that's why I thought maybe we do follower lookalike.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
And so that means I would have to put there all the accounts where I think that could be my audience, right?
Exactly.
Okay.
No, one by one.
Okay.
The bulk upload. Use the option bulk upload.
And I have to edit all one by one.
No, you can copy and paste all the one because you already have those.
Got it.
That is fine.
Yes.
No, I think there is no spacing, so that's why it's counting this as a one. So after pasting, you need to press enter. Enter.
Ah. This is- Okay, so can I actually edit this lookalike audience later, or does it
Yes,
has to
yes.
be perfect?
No, you
Okay.
can do the change whenever you want. Okay, click
Okay.
on add to
And-
campaign.
Yeah. Okay. Mm-hmm.
Okay, now
got it.
click on next.
Next. Okay, got it.
Here you need to set your ad name.
Now we are in that. We were in the ad group, so now we are in the ads, or
Yes.
is it
Ad
so
level.
that the ad level?
Yes.
So let's say I could name it now
T-shirt.
t-shirts or
Yes.
sweatshirts or
Exactly.
T-shirts or mama. Okay. Product category. Okay.
You can type above. Yes, looking that is fine. Destination website, that's also fine. Media is fine. So put a copy here, one liner or something.
Here in this one? Or what?
Yes, here.
So that is, would it take the same, wait, like the same ads that I also used for the meta ads or what?
Yes,
Like
yes, we can
same
use. Yes.
1 second. Okay, now carousel, I guess carousel.
Carousel or single image.
Yeah, let's say carousel, and I added already the media, so we don't. I only have to click on this now.
Okay.
More. Okay, confirm.
Yeah.
Oh,
Website
now the
URL.
website, yeah, the landing page.
Yes.
Okay, got it.
Again, website
And
URL.
again, okay.
Yeah,
Uh-huh.
for each of the product.
Okay. Each product. And the headline also for each product, the headline then, yeah?
Yes, yes.
Oh. And this can be changed later all the time, the headline?
Yes, we can.
Okay, then click on next.
Next. And launch campaign. Couldn't be uploaded. Please try again. Scroll down and see the error. Scroll up. Go to ads level. From the left side, untitled. This untitled under that. Ad level. Yes, this one. Okay, just see where is the problem. Scroll headline.
Okay.
Check if we have any other thing left. Okay, again next and try again. Launch. Okay, that is fine now.
Right. And if I wanna add more,
Yeah,
oops.
you
We can talk
save-
later.
Yes,
If you we can talk later, yeah.
sure.
And I message you later because we have